Hi guys, and welcome to a new video, and welcome to the channel if you're new here. For those of you that don't know me, I'm Ollie and this is Turner's Workshop. And in this week's video, I've got my friend's car here because she keeps having issues with her MOT and the headlights in particular. Let's have a quick look at her MOT history on the government website. You can see this issue started a couple of years ago in 2023. She had a couple of minor defects, near side headlamp lens slightly defective and offside, and then a few advisories on there as well. And if we scroll up to 2024, you can see that same minor defects carried over. Offside headlamp lens slightly defective. The near side's missing, but I guess that just managed to scrape through. And then this year, it was a fail. Repair immediately. A major defect for the headlamp has a product on the lens so that the light output is severely reduced both. It's now a really common issue with these plastic headlight lenses to go cloudy in time because of UV damage. It breaks down the plastic and leaves them all cloudy. It never used to be a problem because they were made from glass originally. For example, on my old Transit van, that was 27 years old now, and that still had the original glass headlight lenses, much more durable and built to last. Whereas these plastic ones, they're going to require a lot more work to keep them in good condition, and you can only buff them up so many times before you'll have to replace the whole lens, and that's going to be quite expensive. In this video today, I'm going to show you step by step how you can polish up your headlights and restore them so they're like new. We're also going to be applying a UV protection layer so that hopefully it lasts much longer before you have to redo this job. If you're new to the channel, if you could do me a favour, give this video a thumbs up, consider subscribing to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and if you hit that alarm bell and set notifications to all, you'll be notified when I post new videos. So with that being said, let's get into it, and I'm going to show you how to bring up these headlights like new. Here's a close-up of the lenses so you can see what we're working with. It's got this oxidised layer on the top of the lens. They do actually come with a UV protection layer from factory, but in time the UV radiation breaks that down and it allows the plastic to oxidise, which leaves them cloudy with a slight yellowy tinge. And if we look at this headlight, it's even worse. I was going to buy everything individually, but it actually worked out cheaper to buy this kit just for a couple of headlights. So depending on how many headlights you need to do, it might be worth buying everything individually, or it may be worth just getting one of these kits. This kit was one of the best rated on Amazon, so that's why I chose it, and it comes with everything you're going to need for this job to give a really good professional finish. So we've got our sanding discs from 800 grit up to 3000, our polishing paste, a UV protective liquid, masking tape for masking around the lenses, and these application pads which can go in the drill, which is going to speed up the process and give us a professional finish. How many of each do you get? You get 1, 2 800, so 1 for each lens, 2 1000, 2 1200, 2 1500, 2 2000. You get the gist. So that's for one headlight and that's for the other. I've also got this spray bottle with water and a little bit of washing up liquid in there, and that's just so that we don't damage the plastic. It keeps it nice and lubricated so we don't burn through it, because I'm going to be using a drill with this attachment in it and the sanding discs to begin. I've just finished this one. As you can see, it's come up lovely. So I'm going to show you how to do that on this one now. To give us better access to the top of the headlight, so we can get in here, I'm just going to pop the bonnet up. And we're going to begin by giving it a little clean. So for that, I'm going to use some window lean to give it a clean. Looks better already, right? It's because it's wet. When it dries off, it's going to look terrible again. So just wipe off around the edge of the headlight. So let that dry off for a moment. It came with this little roll of tape. As you can see, it's really not very thick, and this is to protect the bodywork around the lens. So we're going to run this around the edge of the headlight, and we'll protect this plastic piece up here as well, just so it doesn't get scratched in the process of doing the headlights. Because this isn't very wide, I'm also going to put some masking tape around it so that it really doesn't matter if we bring the sanding disc over here, the paintwork is protected. And now I'm going to pull up a stool because I'm getting old, and In this bottle here, I've got washing up liquid and water. I've got my sanding discs here, going all the way from 800 up to 3000 grit. And we're going to start off with the 800 grit disc. So I'm going to get the drill, and I'm using an electric drill because it'll probably go through a few batteries otherwise. So in my drill, I've got this attachment here that comes with the kit. I'm going to put my 800 grit sandpaper. It's got Velcro on the back. That sticks on there. And then I'm going to wet the headlight all over. Wet the pad as well. The wetter the better, if you know what I mean. So just keep that lens nicely lubricated with your water and washing up liquid, and move the sanding disc continuously over the lens in a nice even pattern. The whole time we're just making sure it stays wet. And go at a steady speed with nice even pressure, and just work your way over the headlight. And we're going to do this for about 5 minutes. And with this first disc, we're just trying to get out any of the deeper scratches. If your lenses are really heavily tarnished, you could actually start off with some 600 grit wet and dry paper, and then once you've carried out that initial buff, you can then work through the grades of sandpaper provided in the kit. Let's make sure we do this bit up here as well. It's not damaged at all at the top of the lens because this has been protected by the bonnet, so it hasn't been exposed to the UV radiation. So it's just down here that we need to focus on, and this section here. I do like the fact that the sanding discs aren't too big, which allows you to get into all the little nooks and crannies of these detailed headlights. I will put links in the description to everything you're going to need for this job, and if you buy it through the links, you'll also be supporting the channel, so I'd really appreciate that. You don't pay any more for the products, it just means I get a small kickback off of any sales. I'm happy we've got a nice even buff with the 800 grit sandpaper. So now we can switch over to something a little bit finer. The next one up is 1000. So let's whack that on. Spray it. Spray the surface. Same again, about 5 minutes. If at any point it starts to snatch up, give it a spray. So that was the P1000. We're going to move up to the P1200. Same again, spray the sandpaper, spray the headlight, and away you go. Next up, the 1500. Put that on there, spray that, spray the headlight. You get the gist. I spent about 5 minutes sanding with each grade of sandpaper, but the time required will be dependent on how heavily tarnished your headlight lenses are. Next up, we have P2000. $2,500. Put that on there. I think you can guess the next step. And we can go a little bit quicker with this now. Keep it moving though. apply a little bit more pressure. That's 5 minutes up. We've got one more sanding disc to use, P3000, so this is really fine. Put that on there. Spray the disc, spray the light. And I'm going to work this for a good 4 or 5 minutes. Okay, that's it with the sandpaper. I'm just going to wipe off the lens. We're now going to switch over to our polishing pad. So put that on the end of the drill. Put some of your polishing paste on the end of the sponge. A little spray of water on there just to make it damp, and then away you go. And I can just feel how smooth that surface is. So much better. I'd say it's almost as good as new. So let's just wipe off this polishing compound, a bit of Windoline, and let's just wipe that off. Once you've cleaned it off, you can see any areas you might have missed. You can see a few light scratches on the surface, so I'm going to hit it again. I'm a little bit conscious because there's not a lot of daylight at the moment. It'll start getting dark in a minute. The compound polishing stage is the final sanding step. So for this, I spend a good 10 minutes at least making sure that I get rid of any surface scratches on the lens, so it looks as good as new. And there's one more step to do, but I'm going to give the car a clean first before we do that. Let's just peel off this tape, we don't need that anymore. This step is optional, but I'd highly recommend giving the car a thorough clean once you've finished polishing up the headlights, and that's to get rid of any of the plastic dust from sanding the headlights and any of that polishing compound that's flicked off on the bodywork. Right, the car's clean. There's one more job we need to do, and that's protect the headlight lens so it doesn't go like that again. And for that, we've got some UV protectant to put on there. So let me just pull it in and I'll show you how to apply it. And to apply this, we're going to use a little application pad that it comes with. And all you want to do is put a little bit of this on your headlight lens, rub it in all over, and this will act like sunscreen for your headlight lens to stop it getting damaged by the UV. So just rub that over, and then we're going to leave it for 10 minutes, and then we can buff off the residue that's left, polish it up, and that's nicely protected, and hopefully it should stop it going cloudy in the future. And 10 minutes later, once it's dried, just polish off the excess using a soft cloth, or if you've got a microfiber towel, that's even better, use that. So just buff it up. And we'll do the same on this side. Now I don't know about you, but I love a good before and after. So let's have a look at the lens before and after. Would you look at that? It looks like brand new. I'm so pleased with how these lenses have come out. And let's check the other side. Before, you can see it was all hazy, slightly yellow, and after. good as new. Now I won't lie to you, they take about an hour per headlight, working through all of the grades of sandpaper, finishing it off with the polishing compound and then the UV protection layer. And this is one of those jobs that doesn't cost a lot to do, but the end result is directly proportional to the amount of effort you put into it. So there we have it, that is how you restore a headlight lens. I hope you found this video useful and you enjoyed watching it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel if you're not already subscribed. And if you hit the alarm bell, set notifications to all, you'll be notified when I post new videos. And hopefully, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers guys, bye for now. This will be my last video of 2025, so I just wanted to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and hopefully I'll see you all again soon. I'm going to be taking a break in January to get out of the country because it's too bloody cold and dark to make any more videos. So I'm going to go to Asia for the month where it's hopefully much warmer, and I will make some content while I'm out there. So if you're looking for some travel inspiration, follow me on Turner's Workshop Instagram where I'll be posting regular updates about the trip. And hopefully I'll see you when I get back. Cheers guys, bye for now.